breaker. Papa bought a new swimming pool and now he's going to pump it for the two little ones. This is Darius. He's going to pour some Orbeez inside for the little ones. Wow! This is my father. He's doing skipping ropes. This is Mommy. Her new hobby is sewing now. We bought this for her for Mother's Day. Now we are going to buy lunch with me, Daddy and Daryl. We need to wear masks.
Like Jesus, you need to do things like Jesus.
My father is going to eat a prawn. Thank you.
Welcome.
Smooth move.
This is my little siblings and they are dancing to What Party, the intro. Chicken spin. Mimi is pasting sticker on the thing that Darius made. This is Darius. This is Daryl. And I am the bigger sister. Hello everybody, I'm Desiree. This is my Bay Drain Fafnir. This is how my bay spins. Really cool. Wow! Red color is winning, which is Darius' bay. Red color wins. He's reading a book because he's bored of circuit breaker. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's see what Darius is gonna do. His own Fortnite dance. Are you ready, Darius?
Yep.
Let's go. My father is talking to people every day. He is talking to his staff. Let's see them.
Yeah. That's true.
A jaguar, and the jaguar ran around.